As we get older, our bodies don't heal the way they used to. Joints feel stiffer, nerves can tingle or feel weak, and simple movements sometimes take more effort than they once did. But here's the encouraging news: supporting your body's repair system doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Often, it starts with the right foods, eaten consistently. Many people think collagen only comes from supplements, but your body is actually very good at making its own, when it has the right nutrients. Today, I'm sharing a few simple, delicious snacks that help your body rebuild collagen naturally, calm inflammation, and support healthy joints, nerves, and connective tissue. Let's continue with two powerful options that are easy to enjoy and gentle on digestion. First, let's talk about guava with yogurt. This combination is a quiet powerhouse. Guava is rich in antioxidants, essential amino acids, and nutrients that support collagen formation. When paired with yogurt, especially a plain or Greek-style yogurt, it becomes even more effective. The probiotics in yogurt help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and support tissue repair from the inside out. This snack is especially helpful if you deal with stiffness, joint discomfort, or digestive sensitivity. It's light, satisfying, and easy on the stomach. Each spoonful delivers nutrients your body can actually use, not just for today, but for long-term support. Healing doesn't happen overnight, but consistency makes all the difference. Something as simple as guava and yogurt can become a daily act of self-care. Next is a snack that's refreshing, energizing, and incredibly supportive for collagen production: the Kiwi Crunch snack. Just 2 or 3 kiwis a day provide a generous dose of vitamin C, a nutrient your body absolutely needs to make collagen. Collagen plays a role in keeping your skin firm, your joints strong, and your nerves protected. That means regularly eating kiwi may help reduce tingling sensations, support nerve health, and fight the weakness many people feel in their hands or legs as they age. Preparing this snack couldn't be easier. Slice a fresh kiwi and add a small handful of toasted almonds or walnuts. The nuts add healthy fats and a bit of protein, both of which help your body repair tissues and maintain strength. If you enjoy bold flavors, try a light sprinkle of sea salt or a pinch of chili flakes. These additions don't just enhance taste, they can also help boost circulation and support nerve function. What makes this snack special is that it goes beyond collagen. It supports digestion, strengthens the immune system, and helps your nerves communicate more smoothly. These benefits are especially valuable later in life, when your body needs extra support to stay comfortable and active. Making this a daily habit is a simple way to keep stiffness and fatigue from slowing you down. Now let's move on to another delicious option: the pineapple nut snack. Pineapple contains a natural enzyme called bromelain. While the name sounds technical, what it does is simple and powerful. It helps reduce inflammation deep in the body. Since inflammation is one of the main reasons joints and nerves become painful or stiff with age, bromelain can be a real ally. Pineapple is also rich in vitamin C, which works alongside bromelain to support tissue repair and collagen production. Together, they help your body heal more efficiently, making movement feel easier and more comfortable. To make this snack, cut fresh pineapple into bite-sized pieces and mix them with macadamia nuts or cashews. These nuts provide healthy fats and protein that help stabilize energy levels and support tissue rebuilding. For extra flavor and benefits, add a light sprinkle of cinnamon or a few fresh mint leaves. Cinnamon may help balance blood sugar and calm inflammation, while mint supports digestion. Enjoying this snack regularly may help reduce stiffness, increase energy, and support overall mobility. It's not just a treat, it's a small step toward feeling stronger and moving with more confidence. So now, let's take a moment to look at the bigger picture. Today, we've covered 8 simple, collagen-supporting snacks that work with your body naturally. Dark chocolate clusters, gelatin fruit bites, bone broth snacks, cantaloupe with mint tomato and mozzarella stacks, guava yogurt bowls, kiwi crunch snacks, pineapple nut bites. Each one delivers nutrients your body truly needs, especially if you're over 60 and want to stay active, reduce discomfort, and support healthy nerves and joints. You don't need to change everything at once. Even adding just one of these snacks into your daily routine can help your body begin repairing and strengthening itself. If you'd like to keep learning simple, natural ways to feel better every day, make sure you don't miss the next video on this channel. And if this video helped you, please tap the like button. It really supports our work. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future tips. And I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let me know which snack you're excited to try first. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.